In the annals of military history, few machines have left a mark as indelible as the Tiger I tank. Developed by Nazi Germany during World War II, this formidable war machine struck fear into the hearts of Allied soldiers and became an iconic symbol of German armored might. Join us as we delve into the history of the Tiger I tank, exploring its origins, design, combat performance, and enduring legacy. Before we dive into the Tiger I's storied combat history, let's go back to its origins. The roots of this legendary tank can be traced to the late 1930s when German military leaders recognized the need for a heavier, more powerful tank. In 1937, Henschel Son and Porsche were both contracted to develop prototypes for this new heavy tank. Porsche's design, known as the VK4501P, and Henschel's design, known as the VK4501H, were both submitted for trials. Ultimately, the Henschel design was chosen for production, leading to the birth of the Tiger I tank. The decision was influenced by the simpler and more practical design offered by Henschel, which was easier to manufacture. Now, let's explore the design features that made the Tiger I a formidable adversary on the battlefield. The Tiger I was a heavy tank, weighing in at around 57 tons. It was armed with an impressive 88mm KWK-36L/56 gun, which could penetrate almost any Allied tank at the time. Its frontal armor was exceptionally thick, measuring up to 100mm, making it nearly impervious to many enemy projectiles. This tank also boasted impressive mobility for its size, thanks to a powerful Maybach HL230P30 engine. The Tiger I's combat debut came in September 1942 during Operation Barbarossa, the German invasion of the Soviet Union. It quickly gained a reputation for its devastating firepower and resilience. At the Battle of Kursk in 1943, the Tiger I faced off against hordes of Soviet tanks. Its formidable armor and powerful gun allowed it to take on multiple opponents with relative ease. However, the Tiger I was not without its weaknesses. Its size made it a prominent target and mechanical issues were not uncommon. Additionally, the cost of production limited the number of Tiger I tanks available. As World War II drew to a close, the Tiger I's legacy was already well established. Despite its relatively small numbers, it had made a significant impact on armored warfare. Today, the Tiger I remains an enduring symbol of German military engineering and is a popular exhibit in museums around the world. Its fearsome reputation and iconic design continue to captivate historians and enthusiasts alike. The Tiger I tank, born from the crucible of World War II, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of its time. Its impact on armored warfare, though brief, was profound, leaving an indelible mark on the pages of history.